Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we'll explore one of the most essential widgets for creating navigation and top app bars in Flutter, the AppBar. Understanding the AppBar widget is crucial for building user-friendly and visually appealing Flutter apps. Let's dive in. First, let's define what an AppBar is. An AppBar is a Flutter widget that provides a top app bar in your app. It's typically used to display titles, actions, and navigation components. The AppBar is a fundamental part of material design and serves as a visual and functional anchor for your app. Creating a basic AppBar is straightforward. Here's a simple example of how to include an AppBar in your app. You set properties like title to display a text title. The AppBar can be highly customized to suit your app's design. You can adjust various properties to change its appearance and behavior. These properties include background color, elevation, actions, leading, and more. The AppBar is excellent for incorporating actions and navigation components. Actions are typically used for placing icons or buttons on the right side of the AppBar. Leading is a widget, like an icon or button, placed on the left side, often used for navigation. These components enhance user interaction and navigation. For more advanced scenarios, Flutter offers Sliver AppBar. Sliver AppBar is a variation of the AppBar that works within a custom scroll view to create flexible AppBars with scrolling effects. It's useful for building apps with dynamic content and scrollable lists. In addition to the top AppBar, Flutter also offers the bottom AppBar. The bottom AppBar is used for bottom navigation in your app and can contain action buttons and a floating action button. It's ideal for apps that require bottom navigation menus. In conclusion, the AppBar widget is a crucial part of your app's user interface. It serves as a key element for creating effective navigation, visual consistency, and a user-friendly experience in your Flutter apps. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to design and develop top app bars that enhance your Flutter app's usability and appeal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!